अखिल भारत विश्वकर्मा महासंघ के द्वारा भाजपा तथा एनडीए को पूर्ण रूप से समर्थन की घोषणा की गई है। इस पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ अखिल भारत विश्वकर्मा महासंघ के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर जयंत केएम जी हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, हाउ यू आर सपोर्टिंग बीजेपी एंड एनडीए एंड व्हाट इज द रीजन बिटवीन सपोर्टिंग द बीजेपी एंड एनडीए?
Sir, myself, Dr. Jayant, National President of Akhila Bharata Vishwakarma Mahasangh. The reason behind supporting BJP or NDA is to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has given opportunity to sculpt Ayodhya Sri Rama statue, and also he has given the national program called Vishwakarma Samman Yojan, which is a wide range program which is reaching throughout India to our Vishwakarma people.
What do you think Vishkarma Samaj is getting higher and education and in any other persuasion, the Vishkarma Samaj is getting higher and all the educations and are given in the Modi government?
Sir, one thing, actually our population is around 12 crore in India. It is totally a neglected community throughout the India. That's why Modi ji has taken a great step in development of our Vishwakarma community, and I request that our community should come up in the field of education or field of financial status and politically. So in that interest we are going to support a BJP.
So do you think other parties always neglected the Vishkarma Samaj in socially and politically?
Obviously, sir, till today, the previous government or any other parties, they didn't give any program to our community till today. Primarily, Shri Narendra Modi ji has given Vishwakarma Samman Yojan, which is a national program which is reaching throughout India, and that is the first program which is exclusively given to Vishwakarma, and he has given a very huge opportunity to sculpt Ayodhya Sri Rama statue, by which he has showcased our community work throughout India or even the world also.
Do you think Vishkarma Samaj is going to vote for the BJP and NDA government?
Sure, sir, 100%, because he has identified our community work mainly. That will surely help, and our community will surely support BJP in Lok Sabha election 2024.
BJP and NDA is saying is bar 400 par. What do you think they are going to get 400 plus seats in this Lok Sabha elections?
Sure, sir, 100% Modi ji will reach that 400 par, 100%.
If I ask you about Uttar Pradesh, what is the status of Vishkarma Samaj in Uttar Pradesh? How do you see it?
That is what, sir. Actually, it's totally a neglected community throughout the India. That's why we have started a national organization so that we can uplift our community throughout India, and we have entered into Uttar Pradesh also. In future days, we will surely do a very good organization in Uttar Pradesh, and we will do a great development in our Vishwakarma community.
Yeah. BJP is ruling in Uttar Pradesh from the last two elections. Do you think Vishkarma Samaj is getting higher education and other things in this UP government?
Obviously, sir, Shri Yogi Adityanath ji also, he is also in favor of Vishwakarma community. He has introduced a program. He has joined hand with Narendra Modi ji in introducing Vishwakarma Samman Yojan, or even giving opportunity to sculpt Ayodhya Sri Rama statue in Ayodhya itself, which is his own constituency.
Do you think if Modi and NDA government reforms in the 2024 elections, Vishkarma Samaj will get uplift after this new government?
Sure, sir, 100%. It's our hope. So, because Modi ji has given two great program, and in future we have a hope that he will surely do the development of our Vishwakarma community throughout India.
Sir, I want to ask you, you are in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is now known as the Shri Ram Mandir is established now. What do you think? Are you going to darshan Shri Ram Lala?
Yes, sir. I am going to the darshan of Sri Ram Lalla also. and it's a pride to our nation that our work is first in India. It is showcased in Ayodhya, which is a part of Uttar Pradesh. It's a very pride situation for us.
Narendra Modi is in tapasya or say in dhyan position at Vivekanand Smarak. What do you think this is going to help BJP in elections, or it is his personal thing?
Sir, it is linked to Narendra Modi ji in personal thing. But even Vivekananda ji has also given a good, he was called as youth icon, because of which youths are motivated and they have sculpted their life structures. As Vivekananda ji told that we are the sculptors of our own life. So it was given as a message to youth that has been followed by Sri Narendra Modi ji. It might be his personal thing. He might be personally connected to Sri Vivekananda Swami.
थैंक यू। तो हमने बात करी डॉक्टर जयंत केएम से, जो अखिल भारत विश्वकर्मा महासंघ के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं। उनका साफ तौर पर कहना है कि मोदी सरकार ने विश्वकर्मा समाज के हित के लिए काफ़ी काम किए हैं, उनके लिए कई योजनाएं दी हैं जिससे विश्वकर्मा समाज आगे बढ़ा है और उसका उत्थान हो रहा है। उनका कहना है कि हमारा समर्थन बीजेपी और एनडीए को केवल इसलिए है कि विश्वकर्मा समाज के उत्थान के लिए उन्होंने कई काम किए हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश, कर्नाटक और कई राज्यों में ये घूम घूम कर अपने समाज को जागृत कर रहे हैं कि वो बीजेपी और एनडीए के लिए वोट करें। कुछ और चीज़ों पर जब हमने बात करी तो इन्होंने कहा कि हम उत्तर प्रदेश आए हैं तो श्री राम लला मंदिर के दर्शन करने ज़रूर जाएंगे, और ये एक हिंदू धर्म के लिए काफ़ी गर्व करने का विषय है कि लंबे समय से चला आ रहा संघर्ष अब पूर्ण हुआ है और श्री राम लला का मंदिर स्थापित हुआ। इसके साथ साथ श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के तपस्या के विषय में उन्होंने कहा कि ये उनका पर्सनल परसेप्शन है, वो क्या करना चाहते हैं ये उनको खुद डिसाइड करना है, और वो स्वामी विवेकानंद से काफ़ी जुड़े हुए हैं, उनसे काफ़ी प्रेरणा लेते हैं, इसलिए वो उस स्थान पर जाकर अपना ध्यान लगा रहे हैं और इस पर किसी विरोधी पार्टी को कोई आरोप नहीं लगाना चाहिए। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट अखिलेश सिंह के साथ संतोष कुमार, भूमि टीवी, लखनऊ।